Hi, I'm Amber from WTI, and I am very fond of this shampoo. This is really great for people with really dry, brittle hair that need that extra nourishing. So the Inecto Naturals Super Shine Argan is 95% natural. It is very, very hydrating. So if you're somebody that needs to have that extra little boost in your shampoo, this is going to be it. So this is not one of those shampoos that really strips your hair and detoxifies it. This is one that's going to give all those oils back into your hair that you lose when you shampoo. It is going to feel nice and smooth and hydrated instead of that squeaky clean feel after you shampoo. So it has a slight scent to it, but it is a very, very mild scent. It's not even a perfume scent. It is very, very mild, which I really like since I'm very sensitive to scents. And the consistency is very nice. We see it's a little bit runny, which is good. We don't want it to be too runny because then it takes way too much to go throughout our hair, but then we also don't want it to be too thick, especially with thick hair. It's very difficult to displace as well. So it's very, very nice consistency. When we rub it all together, it goes nice and sudsy, so we know that we've got it everywhere. I am very, very fond of this shampoo, and that is my point of view.